I live in the desert of Arizona, and literally as soon as I get done dusting, I feel like it is dusty again. And I was tired of paying for the refills for that particular name brand that we all know. So I purchased these a couple months ago, and there are 60 refills in here plus 2 handles. And I wanna help you decide if this is the right product for you by answering questions that I know you have, because they're the same questions I had before I purchased it. First off, people wanna know if it does a really great job with dust removal. These do an amazing job. One of the things that can help make sure that you pick up as much dust as possible is when you pull them out, I wanna show you, they're like compact like this, right? And you want it to be all fluffy like this. So after you put it on this handle or that shorter handle, whichever one, you just do that and it fluffs up. And this will help the dust to perform to its absolute best, because it's not gonna do that great of a job when it is smooshed like this. So make sure you fluff it up first. And of course you're gonna wanna know, like, how long will one of these pads last? It depends. Like for me, I will go through a pad every single time I dust. So this is the one that I used yesterday. I will reuse this because there is still some not dark spots on it. There's still some bright yellow on there. So I use it until most of this is covered in dust and dirt. What I love about this product is the extendable handle. So this is the smallest that it gets, but you can also make it taller, so you can get up high, get ceiling fans, get light fixtures, get above televisions or photos or paintings or whatever. And then this also has a pivot on it that you can adjust it. So you can have it here, you can have it here, right? All these little lock-in places along the way. Okay, so whatever angle works best for you. I like this one when I'm doing ceiling fans. We do have 12-foot ceilings in this house, so I still do have to get up on like a small step stool, but I don't have to like get out my super big extension ladder. This gets tall enough for me so that I can clean them off. You can use this on any surface in your home, including electronics. I use this to dust my TV and my computer monitors and my laptop screen. So whatever you need to dust, perfectly safe. So take it from somebody who literally lives in one of the most dusty places in this country. I love this product, really great quality. The dust removal is really powerful and great, 0 complaints there. And this handle, game changer for me, right? Again, you can make it smaller if you want and adjust that however you need. Or you can just use that standard small handle that's just what you're used to with that other brand. This is an easy yes, and 60 refills for such a great price. Definite yes for me.